Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 5 best AliExpress drone under $50. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Introducing the revolution in aerial photography, the S128 Mini Drone. Compact yet powerful, this mini drone is your ultimate companion for capturing stunning aerial shots. Equipped with a 4K professional HD camera, the S128 Mini Drone lets you capture every moment in crystal clear quality. With three-sided obstacle avoidance technology, this mini drone ensures a safe and uninterrupted flight experience. Say goodbye to altitude fluctuations with the air pressure fixed height feature, providing you with a smooth and stable flight. Need to pack up and go? This mini drone's foldable design makes it incredibly portable and convenient. Experience a new level of control with features like dual lens switching, one-key takeoff/landing, and the intuitive headless mode. Get your adrenaline pumping with 360 degrees rolls in midair and the astounding 50x zoom for capturing details from a distance. Navigating the skies has never been easier with the one-key return function and gesture photo/video capabilities. Unleash your creativity with a mobile phone gravity sensor, draw custom flight paths with Trajectory Flight, and enhance your visuals with beauty filters. Create cinematic masterpieces with MV production features and enjoy hassle-free storage with the integrated design. Whether you prefer a leisurely pace or high-speed thrills, the Speed Switch and Mini Folding Body cater to your flying style. This drone has 4.2 rating and 2,000+ units sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Unlock boundless possibilities with the S128 Mini Drone, your passport to limitless aerial adventures. S128 Mini Drone, elevate your perspective. Introducing the Mijia K6 Max Drone, the ultimate drone for professional and recreational use. Packed with cutting-edge features, this drone is your passport to the skies. Featuring an incredible 8K resolution and 3 cameras, including a wide-angle lens, this drone captures every moment in stunning detail. With its foldable body and the ability to perform a 360 degrees roll, this drone is not just a toy, it's a professional aircraft designed for enthusiasts of all levels. Equipped with 4-way obstacle avoidance, this drone navigates through even the trickiest of spaces with ease. Zoom in up to 50 times to capture those incredible moments from afar with unparalleled clarity. Never worry about losing your drone. With the one-click back feature, this drone always finds its way home. Set boundaries with the electronic fence feature, ensuring your drone stays within your desired airspace at all times. Plan out your perfect shot with Trajectory Flight, allowing you to capture cinematic footage effortlessly. Explore the skies confidently with headless mode, making it easier for pilots of all levels to control the drone. This drone has 4.6 rating and 350+ units sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Experience the future of aerial photography and exploration with this drone. Elevate your perspective today. Mijia K6 Max Drone, redefining the way you see the world. Introducing the Lenovo P8 Drone, where cutting-edge technology meets seamless functionality for an unparalleled flying experience. With this 8K drone, you can capture breathtaking moments in stunning 8K resolution, thanks to its dual HD camera system. The advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth and safe flights, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the optical image stabilizer, gimbal image stabilizer, and electronic image stabilization features. Your videos will be as steady as a pro's, even in challenging conditions. This drone's foldable body makes it compact and portable, perfect for on-the-go adventures. Equipped with a powerful 5G brushless motor, this quadcopter delivers enhanced performance and efficiency like never before. Don't miss a moment with the low current warning feature, ensuring you are always informed about the drone's battery status. With just one click, you can bring the drone back to its takeoff point effortlessly. Experience ultimate control with the electronic fence, 360 degrees roll capability, and an impressive 50x zoom for capturing even the most distant subjects. Let your creativity soar with features like Trajectory Flight and headless mode for seamless navigation. This drone has 4.6 rating and 900+ units sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, videographer, or simply enjoy exploring the skies, the Lenovo P8 drone is your perfect companion. Elevate your aerial adventures and unlock a world of possibilities with this cutting-edge flying marvel. Discover limitless horizons with the Lenovo P8 drone, your passport to unparalleled aerial exploration. Order yours today and redefine your perspective from the skies above. Introducing the latest innovation in aerial technology, the Lenovo K818 Max drone, equipped with cutting-edge features that will take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. With a powerful General Brush 8K HD camera and 5G5 lenses, every detail will be captured in stunning clarity. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or action-packed adventures, this drone delivers exceptional image quality. Powered by a reliable brushless motor, this drone is built for stability and efficiency. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the optical image stabilizer, gimbal image stabilizer, and electronic image stabilization features. Navigate with confidence using the obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring a safe and smooth flight experience. Fly up to 5,000 meters with ease and capture stunning footage from above. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or just a drone enthusiast, the Lenovo K818 Max drone is the perfect companion for your aerial adventures. Elevate your creativity and capture moments like never before. This drone has 4.8 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Experience the future of aerial photography with the Lenovo K818 Max drone. Get your hands on one today and soar to new heights. Lenovo K818 Max drone, where innovation meets excellence. Introducing the S138 drone, your ultimate aerial companion. Are you ready to take your drone flying experience to the next level? Say hello to the S138 drone, the perfect blend of innovation and performance. Featuring cutting-edge technology and a host of incredible features, this drone is designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography game like never before. With 8K dual cameras, you can capture stunning high-resolution images and videos with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this drone is your perfect companion for all your aerial adventures. Equipped with brushless power and advanced features like adjustable speed, gravity sensing, and trajectory flying, this drone offers unparalleled stability and control. Experience the freedom of flight with a remote control distance of up to 1,200 meters. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or enjoying a fun flight session, this drone has got you covered. Compact, portable, and easy to carry, the S138 drone is the perfect gift for drone enthusiasts of all ages. Unleash your creativity and see the world from a whole new perspective with the S138 drone. This drone has 4.8 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Get your hands on the S138 drone now and take your drone flying experience to new heights. Order yours today and soar above the rest with the S138 drone. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.